We reach for it constantly, the plastic bottle filled with clear, refreshing water. It's convenient, portable, and seems harmless. But our thirst for bottled water comes at a price. We're consuming it at staggering rates, creating a sea of plastic waste in the process. The problem is bigger than just aesthetics. Food safety bodies are increasingly raising red flags about the risks associated with frequent bottled water consumption. They warn that certain brands pose a high risk to consumer health. This means there's a real chance these bottles contain elements that could make us sick. So, what exactly could be lurking in that seemingly pure bottled water? Microplastics are a major concern. These tiny plastic particles find their way into the water during the bottling process. Studies show that we ingest a significant amount of microplastics just by drinking from plastic bottles. It's not just plastic either. Depending on the source and bottling practices, contaminants like bacteria and chemicals might also be present. These contaminants can have a range of negative health effects. They can disrupt our hormones, weaken our immune systems, and even increase the risk of certain diseases. The good news is there's a safer, more sustainable alternative readily available: tap water. In most developed countries, tap water undergoes rigorous filtration and testing. It often meets stricter safety standards than bottled water. Plus, it's much cheaper. Choosing tap water over bottled water is also a huge win for the environment. Plastic bottle production consumes vast amounts of fossil fuels and generates greenhouse gases. These bottles often end up in landfills where they take hundreds of years to decompose, or in our oceans, endangering marine life. Breaking free from bottled water is easier than you think. Invest in a reusable water bottle made from glass or stainless steel. Keep it filled and carry it with you wherever you go. Filter your tap water at home if you have concerns about taste or odor. Support restaurants that offer free tap water. Every little step counts when it comes to reducing our dependence on this environmentally damaging product. We can protect our health and our planet one sip at a time.